I just bought a new small gas engine, Predator 212cc, installed it on a log splitter, and can't seem to get this engine to start. I am using fresh gas. Any suggestions would be appreciated. Thank you, Steve 30 at XXXXXX. 30.
Hello, how are you? Have you checked for spark?
Yes, I seem to have spark, new plug, gapped correctly.
What do you mean by seems to have spark? Did you see a bright blue spark?
Yes, saw spark. Engine is brand new. If that helps.
Where did it come from? Harbor Freight?
Yes. Harbor Freight.
Okay, I assume it all hooked up, so let's see if we can get it to run before going through that again. Remove the spark plug and dump about a teaspoon of fuel into the hole, reinstall the plug and try to start it. That will give me a good idea what direction to go next. I suspect it's going to start, then die after a couple seconds, but let's see what it does.
Okay. Not much to hook up actually. I just attached the new motor to the pump coupling of the log splitter, and tried to start. Okay, I shall try your suggestion, thank you, XXXXXXX. Get back to you in a while.
Should I wait? I will if you're going to do that now.
Tried pouring a small amount of gas into combustion chamber, screwed plug back in and pulled started /R rope 2 dozen times. No start. Not even a fire.
That tells me it's not a fueling issue, Barb. If it has spark, I would next inspect the air filter. Perhaps they left a piece of plastic on it that's blocking the intake or airflow.
Have checked air cleaner, carb. All seems okay, however, we'll check Agion.
An engine needs air, fuel, spark, and compression to run. All timed correctly, of course. Once all of the basics are covered, I would say that sommering was not assembled correctly or out of time.
Apparently. Out of time could be my problem. Thank you for your advice.
I am sorry we couldn't get it running. Fortunately, Harbor Freight will take it back. FYI, these are very cheaply made engines, so don't be surprised if the next one won't start either. Please remember to rate your experience. My goal is excellent service. Thanks, and have a great holiday.
Obviously, you are correct about the cheaply made. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.